Ever dreamed of having your own website, but felt lost in a sea of confusing code and design tools? Let's dive into Adobe Dreamweaver and learn how to build a website from the ground up. First, open Dreamweaver and create a new HTML document by accessing the File tab and selecting New. Choose HTML from the Categories section. This creates the basic structure of your web page. Now, let's add some content. Switch to the Code or Split view to see the underlying structure inside the body tags. This is the main area where you'll add all your visual elements, such as text, images, and other content elements. Use the Design view to visualize your changes. Start by inserting a text box using the Insert panel, then add your first paragraph. Next, add an image. Now let's look at navigation. Website navigation is key in Dreamweaver. You create a navigation bar by applying design techniques, like adding a set of linked anchors to headings. Your website's navigation elements are usually included within the header. Let's add some basic styling using the Properties panel at the bottom of the program. Adjust font size and its style to fit your preference. When ready, click File and Save to finalize our design. Dreamweaver simplifies website creation, so you can focus on your content.